Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go over ways to stop looking cheap on vacation, easy steps to make yourself look a bit more expensive, more stylish, more chic when traveling. Whether you're going on a beach getaway, you're going on a sightseeing trip around Europe, these tips you can take with you wherever you go this year. So my first tip on how to look more expensive on vacation is to stick to certain color tones. In my opinion, neutrals and whites and light colors are very easy to pack because one, they go with everything and they just look so stylish and effortless. And when you're packing, you can kind of create your own color palette. There's no set number, but stick to like 6 different colors. You could have your bases of neutrals and then bring in some pops of color. Once you travel with fewer colors, it's going to be so much easier for you when you're planning your outfits on vacation that you can mix and match and everything will just look more cohesive. And I would avoid sticking to only like wearing dark colors. I do think though, wearing black for dinner, you can of course do that. I love wearing black to dinner, but during the day, embrace those lighter summer brighter colors. Also just look at your own skin tone and find out colors that work for you, and you can build your own color palette for your trip to make packing so much easier. The next tip to look more expensive on vacation is to wear your accessories, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Ana Luisa on today's video because they have incredible styles of jewelry that would look so great on any vacation. And the reason why I love Ana Luisa jewelry is that one, it's super minimal and stylish, so it goes with everything. You can shower with these pieces on and you're not gonna have them tarnish, which is my biggest thing. I picked out a few Ana Luisa styles that I think would look so cute on vacation and every day. First are these stunning hoop earrings with the pearl on the bottom. These are just so beautiful. These can work for during the day and evening. I think it just adds a beautiful, simplistic element to any of your outfits. And then I picked up this stunning necklace. I love how it has such a bold detail, and I'm telling you, the quality is there. And then I picked up these stunning hoop earrings. I just adore the blue and white detail of these. And I also picked up these beautiful stud earrings, and these are so unique too. I have never seen a piece of jewelry like this, and it just really gives your earlobes a nice touch. This is perfect if you don't like to wear heavy jewelry or your ears get irritated with your jewelry. These earrings are so lightweight, you don't even feel like you're wearing them. Go check out their styles online. You're gonna find so many cute pieces, and I do also have a discount code with them as well. You can save 20% off your order, and they do have a 2-year warranty on all of their pieces, so it gives you peace of mind. So yes, you can go swimming in the ocean, you can shower with them on, it's not going to tarnish these pieces, and they're all so beautiful. And the great part is these styles start at $39, so you can find some really nice pieces for your next upcoming getaway. And if you love simplistic yet unique jewelry, I'm telling you, you're going to find so many cute styles. They have beautiful rings, necklaces, earrings. On vacation, I always wear my earrings and necklaces or not lasting a long time, because for me, when I wear earrings or necklaces, I tend to never take them off. So I love the fact that I don't have to worry about them getting tarnished or ruined, especially with that 2-year warranty. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for partnering with me on this video. Another accessory that you should not forget on vacation is your sunglasses. Now, sunglasses, one, provide you shade from the sun, but two, it will also cover your eyes. So like if you don't want to do a full makeup look, sunglasses and a lip gloss, and you are ready to head out the door. Now, if you're like me, I wear contact lenses, so I recently just started getting more prescription sunglasses. I don't love wearing my actual eyeglasses, and you probably have never even seen me in my eyeglasses because I don't wear them on camera. But when I wear contacts for like 7 days straight, all day long, my eyes get really dry and tired. I love going to Warby Parker because they have so many cute styles. These are my newest prescription sunglasses, and are these just not giving the vibes? And another accessory that I love packing on vacation are scarves. This is my little scarf collection, and the reason why I love it is that one, it packs flat, but it adds so much color and personality to your style. This is definitely key if you plan on bringing just a carry-on. You could just pack one of these scarves and you'll add so much color and style without having to pack like additional clothing. You could wear this in your hair for a full-on chic beach look. If you can't wear it in your hair, you could always just tie it on your bag, and it really just adds some beautiful fun texture to your outfit. I get my scarves from all over. I got some vintage ones in Paris. I also found these incredible silk scarves on Amazon. I will leave this link down below. Wearing that scarf just gives you a full-on luxury vibe. You're just gonna look so effortless and vacation-like. Next up, let's talk about shoes that are making you look cheap on vacation. Athletic running shoes. I know they're comfortable, but I think they're just not giving an elevated look. And I promise you, you can find comfortable shoes that look stylish, go with every outfit, and you won't even know that you're not wearing athletic shoes. I recently picked up these Dr. Scholl's shoes on Amazon, and these are just a simple white shoe and they look good with everything, yet they're very comfortable. There's like even reviews saying that they're more comfortable than their On Cloud sneakers, which are way more expensive. These are under $80 and they will go with all of your outfits. So if you just pack these shoes over like an athletic style, you're just gonna elevate your look right there. Those running shoes, I'm telling you, are a little casual in my opinion. And you're not sacrificing comfort by switching over to a stylish white sneaker. So definitely recommend these. And then let's talk about sandals. There are super comfortable sandals that look something like this that I feel like could be a bit more elevated. My personal favorite sandal that I can wear for 20,000 plus steps are my Birkenstocks. Now these are very much like the trend. I love the big buckle ones especially. Now these are not cheap, but the footbed is made with cork. So when you put your foot on it, you're like molding in like your perfect custom shoe. I even climbed a mountain in Montenegro in these shoes, in sandals, and I was completely fine. So I love these shoes. They're very comfortable for long distances. And then for dinner time, I would avoid wearing sneakers as well. Definitely opt for a cute sandal. Now these don't have to be super comfortable because probably not walking thousands of steps to dinner. You could wear a dressy flat sandal for dinner instead of a sneaker. It'll look so much more elevated. So next up, to look more expensive on vacation is choosing comfortable fabrics. Now in the summertime, linen and cotton natural fibers are more breathable on your body and they just look, in my opinion, so chic and effortless. Like if you were wearing an all linen outfit, I feel like it's just giving all of the luxury vibe. Now linen is a bit hard because it wrinkles very easily. While linen does wrinkle easily, I think because it is a natural fiber and it's supposed to be a bit more relaxed, I think it's okay. Like I wouldn't get too stressed out about like your linen being too wrinkly. Of course, iron it before you leave your hotel room, but if you opt for all linen, I think it's just gonna look so chic and effortless. If you want moisture wicking, those are synthetic fabric. Now those are just gonna keep that moisture off your body, but they're not gonna be as breathable as the natural material. The benefit is that they don't wrinkle as much and you can basically take them out of your suitcase and wear out the door. Things that are making you look cheap on vacation is wearing wrinkled clothes. I know when you're traveling, it's harder to get an iron or a steamer. I always pack a small travel steamer just to be sure I can get the wrinkles out of my clothes, especially if you can control it. Like if you have an iron or a steamer in your hotel room, definitely take the extra time after you arrive to your hotel or Airbnb, put your clothes up, steam them all, and then you'll be ready to go. This will just make everything look more expensive. Things that are making you look cheap on vacation is looking too casual. If you are a fan of a sports team, we can be comfortable, but we don't have to look too casual. If you are that girl who likes to wear t-shirts and shorts, you can totally wear a plain t-shirt, not a sports one, denim tight shorts. You could just wear a trouser short. These outfits are both the same in terms of comfortability, but one just looks a bit more elevated. So you can just take really small tweaks, still be comfortable, but yet look a bit more put together and chic on vacation. And also nothing screams tourist more than like a super branded t-shirt, whether that's like from the city that you live in, sports team, like it's just giving very casual. So I definitely think opt for more plain, unassuming kind of shirts and you'll fit in better and also it just looks a bit more put together. Also, if you're going to a resort or a cruise and it's morning, I would avoid wearing pajamas in public places. I know it's hard, especially in the morning. You just want to roll out of bed and grab coffee in a buffet, but definitely just bring a pair of comfortable joggers or a plain shirt and head out to the buffet. You don't have to wear our patterned pajamas. I've seen it all, so that's why I'm saying it. Short shorts. And I'm more specifically talking about super short denim shorts. They don't look very dressy or classy. And also, let's not forget, a short denim short is not very comfortable. It's very rigid. When you sit down, it hurts. Let's avoid it. Like, I love my trouser shorts from Abercrombie specifically. I also recently found some really comfortable ones on Amazon. Love these. Actually, even more comfortable than denim short. And they look so sophisticated, so put together. You could wear a belt with them and you will look and feel like they're so comfy. I'm also tall, so for me, it just looks really really out of proportion. Avoid the short. Let's go for a 4-inch plus inseam, and your legs are gonna look fabulous with a longer inseam. Something else to not look cheap, just look more classy on vacation, is to respect dress code. Respecting dress codes, I think in general, let's just avoid wearing swimsuits to the beach, to the pool, on vacation without a cover up, like just walking around in a swimsuit. I don't think it's appropriate, and I don't think it looks expensive. It looks very unput together. Like even if you're at the pool all day and you want to grab some food, there's a reason why there's signs in front of restaurants that say no swimsuits. Like put on some clothes. I think it's just a respect thing also. Like I have seen people walk around on cruise ships with just their swimsuits, and it's just so weird. It's just so different. Like cover up. There's so many cute cover ups that you can choose from. I love cover ups. I even wore this cover up on vacation in Mexico, and this is just a simple cover up over my swimsuit with sunglasses. And does this not look super chic? It's just a cover up and it looks so good. So definitely let's not show too much skin. Another accessory that I forgot to mention is wearing a sun hat. Now a sun hat literally takes any outfit to like, wow, she brought that big hat on vacation, because we all know it. On that plane, when you bring that sun hat on vacation, you are dedicated, because if it's a nice hat and you don't want it crumpled, you're gonna have to put it on your lap. I have flown hours with a sun hat on my lap because I did not want it to get crumpled, but was it worth it? I think it was, because it just made every outfit look so more chic and elevated. So definitely wear a sun hat that fits your head comfortably. It may ruin your makeup line right here a little bit, but you don't want that sun hat to fly away. I have lost hats, RIP, in the sea because the wind took it. So definitely make sure that hat is secure. You can also look for hats that have a band under here, especially if you're going on a boat or something, just to keep that hat in place. Another tip to stop looking cheap on vacation is not dressing up for dinner. Now, I am not expecting ball gowns. If you're sightseeing all day long, definitely take an hour or two before dinner, refresh, and you can have the opportunity to take off like those sneakers and shorts, and you can wear a nice sundress or long pant and a nice top. Like I think dinner's a really nice time to just kind of get a little bit more dressed up. And I think when you see other people dressed up for dinner, it looks really nice, especially on vacation. Wear a nicer top and bottom and you'll be ready for a nice dinner. And on to packing. I do like to pack about 2 outfits per day. Obviously you can mix and match and wear things throughout your trip, but I do like having a more casual outfit for during the day. And then at night, I do like to bring specific outfits that I'm gonna wear during the evening time. It's usually like a little black dress, a black pant, a nice top, or just something that I feel comfortable wearing at the evening time. Now, another way to look a bit more put together on vacation is just adding in some makeup. Now, I'm not asking for us to do a full-on beat. We don't have to be totally made up, but adding in a little bit of a lip gloss, a little bit of blush, mascara, it'll just put everything together. The whole look will be super cute. And speaking of makeup, let's not forget our sunscreen, our SPF. Nothing hurts more or feels as uncomfortable as a bad sunburn on vacation, especially on day one. Day one, if you don't have sunscreen on, go hide under an umbrella and put some on, because you're not gonna wanna have that bad sunburn. That sunburn looks like it hurt. And lastly, hair. I'm honestly not the best at hair, but one of my tips is to avoid your hair looking like literally all over the place. What happens is the wind happens. And when the wind happens, your hair is just blowing around. You don't really have a brush on you. So if you are going to a place that's very windy, style your hair in like a low bun or just secure from the wind, so you don't have to be worried about fixing it. If you can just style it in the morning, already prepared for that wind, that's one of my tips. Or of course, you could wear your hat and that will kind of help the wind a little bit. So there are some of my tips to look a little bit more expensive, more chic and fun on vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you were headed anywhere for vacation, let me know where you are headed next. I would love to hear it. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa for partnering with me on this video. With that, I hope you guys have a super awesome rest of the week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.